Alright, what's going on everybody? So I'm getting ready to head out to a photo trip tomorrow, and it occurred to me that I never actually told you guys what I bring along with me on my photo trips, especially this trip in particular. I'm not going to tell you where I'm going just yet, but as you can see in front of me, I have a cluster of gear that I'm bringing with me, so it's going to be a good trip. Hope you guys are excited. I know I am. Let's get into the gear. Okay, so we're just going to start here at the 7200, work our way over. Okay, the 7200 with this trip is going to be key. So I love this lens, however it is very, very heavy. So carrying it, traveling can be a pain sometimes. So if you're worried about weight, this is not going to be the lens for you to bring. However, it is probably my all-time favorite lens. Great lens, very versatile, and it helps me to get the shots that I'm going to go for with this trip coming up. So that is the 7200. Next, Canon's Nifty 50. This is a 50mm prime lens, 1.8, very fast, and it may not seem versatile because it doesn't zoom in and out, but if you're using it for portraits, landscape, wildlife photography, it is a great lens. Okay, so it's, like I said, very fast, 1.8 lens, prime lens. Next up, we got the Sony ZV-1. As you can tell, it's a vlogging camera. I used to use it when I did my vlogging videos back in Salem, Massachusetts. So I don't really vlog much anymore, but if I do, I would use this for sure. But it's great for a point and shoot camera. Take this little dead cat off, throw it in your pocket. I did a video of street photography with this camera alone. So if you guys want to see that, I'll post it whichever corner it may be. I think it's this one. But very good camera. Sony makes excellent photography cameras and video cameras, and this has both. And this is going to run you about $800, $700 to $800 depending on the time of year. So very great camera. I'll put links to everything in this down below. I don't get paid for anything. Obviously 500 subscribers, still a little work to be done. If you've watched any of my POV videos, you know that I always have a GoPro on me. I use it for surfing, snowboarding, and mostly the POV. But going along, this is the GoPro Hero 10 with the media mod on. And I just like to have the media mod on because it has the better microphone for the POVs, and also to go along with the GoPros. I have the Tesla charger, which allows me to charge 3 different batteries at one time. Which is great, and then to go along with that as well, as I'm charging that, I can use my Anker portable external charger, and that way I can charge my camera that I'm using right now on the go, and I can charge my GoPros on the go. Sony ZV-1, whatever it may be, this Anker does it. This is a 20 watt, I think. Again, go along with the GoPro, always goes with me, is my chesty mount. Bam! Put the chesty mount on, go around, shoot, whether it be city photography, POVs, any kind of POVs, the chesty is great. Again, if you're doing snowboarding, this is also awesome. With the Canon EOS R8, it is an RF lens mount. So these 3 lenses right here are EF lens mounts. So I had to get the adapter for $99 from Canon, which doesn't make a huge difference to me at all. It does extend a little bit with the lens, but other than that, it works just like a regular RF lens, which I'm using right now. So I'm gonna do a review on this soon so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. But the EF to RF mount works great. This is just the case for it. Let's talk about the lens and the camera that I'm using right now. I'm using the 15 to 35mm, extended out to 15mm right now. Great lens, probably my all-time favorite lens besides the 70-200, comboed with the Canon R8, which is the brand new camera, that full frame camera that Canon just came out with. Amazing camera. I'm gonna do a full review on that, so please stick around, like, subscribe, do all the cool things to see that review. All right, sometimes I'm shooting where it's too bright and I need to stop down a little bit or something like that if I want to get long exposures, or if I'm doing video and it's too bright and I'm trying to keep that aperture and frame rate at a good pace. Gonna need an ND filter. This is the K&F Concept ND 2 to 400. And to be honest with you, I haven't even used it yet since I just got the camera I figured I'd pick this up as well. So that's that. And obviously got to do some editing on the road. Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch. Great computer. And last but certainly not least, the Brevity Jumper Camera Backpack. This is the regular size. Runs about 125 to 150 depending on where you buy it from. All this stuff fits in this little camera backpack, which is mind-blowing to me. That I can fit all this and still have a pocket right here that fits all my whatever else I may need for my trip. There's also another video I did on that. I did 2 videos on the jumper backpack as well. Post on whichever corner it is, and also at the end of the video. Links will be in the description down below for all of this stuff. If you guys are interested, I don't get paid for it. I'm just here to have fun. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you found it useful at all, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys next time.